Once you've logged in, you will find yourself in this payment center. You have a few options. You have the school payments, which you'll find the information for registration, and food services. The food services option is to be able to put, as we call, money on the books for your students. That is, if you would like to put money in an account for your student to be able to purchase food items at lunch. So that is if you would like to be able to have them use their ID card to be able to purchase items, you can put money in their account and they can spend money using their ID number. You can add money in through this as often as you like throughout the year, and you can set it up to send you notices if their balance gets below a certain point. So that is what the food services one is. I'm going to focus today on the school payments one because this is where you will go anytime you would like to make any kind of payment for classes, or in this case, registration throughout the year. So today I'm going to talk about registration. You will see the registration items that are available, and you can see they match the station numbers that are on the route slip that I shared with you. So for example, the first one you see here is the Emergency Disaster Kit Registration Item Station 9. And so if you are going to do this, you just simply say add to cart, and you can see that it's been added to the cart. I can check out at that point, or I can say continue shopping. And then if I need to do a PE lock, I can add that to the cart. And then you'll see PE shirts, same color for everyone, so there's no grade difference for the PE shirt. 7th grade red shorts, 8th grade black shorts. Sweatshirts are optional. If you'd like a sweatshirt, same for 7th and 8th grade. Same process, add to cart. You can update your quantities if you like. We also included the optional donation for our Supplies for Success registration item station 14. This is for our students who are collecting donations to be able to provide school supplies for other students here on campus. They will be there at registration, so if you would like to make a cash donation, you can, or you can simply add it to the cart and the money will go to those students to be able to purchase supplies for students in need here on campus. And finally, yearbook. If you would like to pay with a credit card for yearbook, you can pay that here. You can also pay cash at registration, but those options are all here. Once you are finished, you simply click to your cart here, and then you can go to billing and you can check out through there. And I'm not going to do that because I don't want to bill this student. So I just want you to know how you do that. If you want to remove something, you can simply click on this to remove, and you can go back to shopping at any time. So that's how you do school pay. It's that simple. Once you've done those items, just save your receipts, and you can use that receipt to get a tax donation write-off for your emergency disaster kit, as well as your donations for Supplies for Success. Your receipt can also be used as proof of your purchase for your yearbook and your PE clothes. So you'll want to save your receipts and print those out because you'll use that to be able to pick up your PE clothes that first week of school, and then just your proof for your yearbook.